Heartburn can be a nuisance, causing burning sensations in your chest and throat, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, you'll find out how to get rid of heartburn naturally, quickly, and without using medication. We'll cover the basics of heartburn, its causes, and easy changes you can make to reduce heartburn and alleviate discomfort. Additionally, we'll explore some natural remedies as well as tips like eating smaller meals and avoiding trigger foods. So if you're looking for natural ways to reduce heartburn and get relief from the discomfort it can cause, stick around to the end and learn how to take control of your heartburn today. Remember to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when a new natural guide drops. Although diet and lifestyle changes are the most important part of managing heartburn, there are other causes of heartburn as well. Other conditions and diseases can contribute to heartburn and should be addressed with your doctor to ensure proper diagnosis and treatment. GERD, or gastro-oesophageal reflux. Disease is a condition in which acid from the stomach backs up into the esophagus, causing irritation and pain. This can create a sensation of burning and discomfort in the chest, which is sometimes mistaken for heartburn. Tight-fitting clothing can put pressure on the stomach, leading to increased reflux and heartburn symptoms. Hiatal hernia is another medical condition of the stomach and esophagus that can contribute to heartburn. A hiatal hernia occurs when the stomach slides up into the chest through the diaphragm, often resulting in pressure on the surrounding tissues and muscles that can contribute to heartburn. Hormone changes can also play a role in heartburn. During pregnancy, the hormone progesterone relaxes the lower esophageal sphincter, which can lead to frequent heartburn. In addition, the physical changes of pregnancy can contribute to heartburn, such as the growing uterus putting pressure on the stomach. Finally, some types of medications can contribute to heartburn. Certain pain medications, such as aspirin and ibuprofen, can increase stomach acid production and lead to heartburn. Some types of blood pressure medications can also relax the lower esophageal sphincter and contribute to heartburn. By ensuring a balanced diet, proper lifestyle changes, and understanding the different causes of heartburn, you can reduce and alleviate heartburn discomfort. Identifying and addressing any underlying medical causes or contributing factors can help you get rid of heartburn for good. When it comes to reducing heartburn or getting rid of it altogether, dietary changes are often the most effective. Eating smaller meals more frequently and avoiding large meals can help to alleviate and reduce heartburn discomfort. Additionally, staying away from certain foods that trigger the symptoms and instead opting for heartburn-friendly recipes can help greatly. Foods that may trigger heartburn or worsen symptoms include fried and fatty foods, caffeine, tomatoes and tomato-based products, spicy foods, garlic and onions, alcohol, and citrus fruits and juices. Eating meals that are high in fiber and lean proteins such as fish and poultry and whole grains can help reduce the symptoms of heartburn and make it easier to find relief. It's also important to pay attention to portion sizes and eating habits. Eating slowly, chewing your food thoroughly, and avoiding lying down immediately after a meal can help reduce heartburn. Individuals who experience heartburn regularly should try to avoid eating late at night, as this can increase the chances of experiencing acid reflux. Instead, they should opt for an earlier dinner or a light snack such as yogurt, a small bowl of cereal, or a piece of toast. Additionally, it is best to avoid drinking too much water during or after meals, as this can increase stomach acid and worsen the symptoms of heartburn. By following these dietary changes, individuals can successfully and quickly alleviate heartburn discomfort. Making small changes to one's diet can make a world of difference in terms of reducing heartburn and providing long-term relief. Ginger is an effective and all-natural remedy for heartburn. Studies have shown that ginger can reduce nausea, reduce heartburn, and get rid of heartburn symptoms. Ginger is thought to alleviate heartburn discomfort by reducing the acidity in the stomach and increasing the production of saliva, which helps neutralize acid in the stomach. To use ginger for heartburn, try grating a teaspoon of fresh ginger and adding it to a cup of hot water. You can also purchase ginger root capsules from a health food store to take as needed. Apple cider vinegar is another popular natural remedy for heartburn and other digestive issues. It can be used to reduce heartburn and alleviate heartburn discomfort. To get rid of heartburn, mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink the mixture before meals or when heartburn symptoms appear. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the acid in the stomach, which can provide relief from heartburn. However, it is important to be careful while taking apple cider vinegar as it can cause side effects in some people. It is wise to consult a doctor before consuming it to ensure safety. Chamomile tea is an effective and natural way to reduce, get rid of, and alleviate heartburn discomfort. Chamomile tea is known for its anti-inflammatory and mild antispasmodic effects, which can help reduce the irritation caused by stomach acid and calm the muscular contractions that can cause heartburn. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea after a big meal or upon experiencing heartburn discomfort can help reduce the burning sensation and stop heartburn from occurring. Additionally, it may help reduce the frequency of heartburn episodes if consumed regularly. A quick and natural remedy for reducing heartburn is baking soda. Baking soda is high in sodium, and when added to water and consumed, can help reduce the amount of acid in the stomach. To get rid of heartburn, mix 1-2 teaspoons of baking soda with at least 4 ounces of water and drink it. Baking soda can help to alleviate heartburn discomfort instantly. When consuming baking soda, try to avoid drinking it on an empty stomach, since it can sometimes cause additional irritation. Additionally, people who have high blood pressure should stick to occasional use of baking soda, as it is high in sodium. Eating smaller meals is one of the most effective ways to reduce heartburn and alleviate heartburn discomfort. When the stomach becomes too full, it increases the amount of gastric juice, which can irritate the lining of the stomach and esophagus and cause irritation, resulting in heartburn. Eating several smaller meals throughout the day, as opposed to 3 large meals, can help reduce the risk of heartburn. Additionally, eating slowly and chewing food well can help ensure that your meals are digested properly and can help avoid the release of excessive gastric acid. Eating smaller meals can also help keep your body in balance, which can prevent any overproduction of acid. It's important to be mindful of what and how much you're eating in order to keep heartburn from occurring. Try to avoid foods and beverages that trigger heartburn, such as fried foods, citrus and acidic fruits, caffeine, and alcohol. Additionally, try to reduce your daily intake of grease, fat, and processed foods, as these can all cause heartburn and cause discomfort. Make sure to include some sources of dietary fiber in your meals, as this can help soften stools and reduce any discomfort associated with heartburn. Finally, make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day, as this can help keep the acid level in your stomach low. Drinking plenty of water can also help keep your digestive system healthy, reducing your risk of developing any heartburn or other digestive issues. One of the most effective ways to reduce heartburn is to concentrate on eliminating certain trigger foods from your diet. Trigger foods vary from person to person, but common ones include fried and fatty foods, spicy foods, citrus fruits, tomatoes and tomato-based products, caffeine, chocolate, alcohol, mint, and garlic. You should experiment to determine which foods might be triggers for you and eliminate them or limit them in your diet. Another important step to alleviate heartburn discomfort is to identify and avoid food and beverages that can increase stomach acid production, such as carbonated beverages, carbonated water, and alcoholic beverages. You should also avoid eating meals that are too large or too late at night. Eating smaller meals spaced out throughout the day can help reduce the frequency of heartburn. It is also important to remember to keep your food intake to a minimum before bedtime, as lying down on a full stomach can increase the pressure on the esophageal sphincter, leading to reflux. Lifting the head of the bed can also help greatly. Finally, if you are experiencing frequent heartburn, try to identify any potential food allergies or sensitivities and avoid them. Eliminating triggers from your diet can be an effective way to get rid of heartburn and reduce discomfort.